I'm looking at this problem that you had for Thursday, and it's basically just an open problem. So I just wanted to go over kind of a review from second grade about how you could write a problem like this and then solve it however you wanted. So I have blank plus blank equals something. And I know that these two numbers, when you add, are called addends, and then the answer you get is called the sum. So I'm just going to pick some random numbers here. Let's do 423 plus 682. So if I wanted to solve this, I can break these numbers apart by making them into hundreds, tens, and ones. So I know that the value of this 4 is really 400. And I know the value of this 2 is in the tens place, so it's really worth 2 tens, which is 10, 20. And I know that this 3 is just worth a 3. Same with the 600. So this is in the 600 or in the hundreds place, so the 6 is worth 600s. This 8 is in the tens place, so it's worth 8 tens, and 8 tens are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then just 2 ones. So first I can go ahead and combine my hundreds, and I know 4 plus 6 is 10, so that means 400 plus 600 is going to give us the number 1,000. Then I know 20 plus 80, well I know 2 plus 8 is 10, so 20 plus 80 will give me 100. And then a super simple one, I know 3 plus 2 is 5. Then I would go ahead and combine all of these. There's going to be a 1 in the thousands place, there's going to be a 1 in the hundreds place, and there are no tens. So I must use a 0 to represent that there are no tens, and then there are 5 ones. You could also show this on a number line by saying, well, when I add, I always start with the bigger number, so I have less hops to make. So if I start at 682, then I'm going to need to hop 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and then 3 small hops to represent 3 ones. 682 plus 100 is 782. Plus another 100 is 882. Plus another 100 is 982. Plus another 100 is, oh, we've gone over to the thousands, 1082. Now we're going to hop tens. So I'm going to make the number in the tens place go up a digit. So 1082 plus 10 is going to be 1092. Plus another 10 is actually going to make this hop up to a 10, bringing this to 100. So this is going to be 1102. And then I finally have to make those 3 small little hops, 100 or 1102, 1103, 1104, 1105. So you got the same answer doing it 2 different ways. I can also do the third grade way, which is called the traditional algorithm, which would be to write it vertically, starting in the ones place. I know that 3 plus 2 is 5. I know that 2 plus 8 is 10, but I cannot write 2 digits here. So I'm going to take the 1 that would go over here and regroup it over here into the hundreds column. I know 4 plus 6 makes a 10, plus 1 more is 11. So to show it the traditional way, you would still find the same answer. So we found the same answer using by decomposing these numbers, by using an open number line, and then using the traditional algorithm. This is the third grade way.